video, I'm super excited because I was gifted something. But as you may know, like if you guys watch my videos, I did a big chop about, it's been like a year and 3 months. I could do like a little tiny ponytail, but this is a struggle ponytail, okay? I'm just doing this ponytail because I was sent a wig. I'm so excited. You guys know that I am passionate and that I do have a love for makeup and I do have a makeup career, but I love wigs. I love getting my hair done. LuvMeHair came through. They reached out to me. They wanted to work with me. So I am gonna share some details down below, but if you guys are interested in LuvMeHair and want to try out any of their units, they did give me a coupon code. I think it's for 20% off. I'm gonna put it in the description box. But yes, they reached out to me and I got this beautiful freaking package. Like, look how gorgeous the presentation is. The box didn't come messed up. It's a little dented right here, but it's fine. The box, beautiful velvet box, cute purple bow. Okay, so it comes in a little bag like this. Yes, I needed a new wig cap. Okay, so they gave me a cute little pouch. It says LuvMeHair on it. It came with a edge brush. It came with tweezers, very cute. I think this is like a, like if I'm gonna lay the hairline down. I got some bobby pins and what is this? I don't know. And I got, oh my god, this is so cute. This cute LuvMeHair clip. They told me that I could be honest about the wig and everything, and they want me to do something that I don't normally do on my channel when I am doing a wig review because I'm just so bad at it. But it's like, come on, they sent me something. They sent me something. I gotta do it. So they want me to install the wig. I suck at that. So we're gonna try our best to do it. Take this out. It's in a little hairnet. Okay, so the wig that I got is a deep wave glueless 13x4 frontal lace wig. It's $309 right now. It's on sale. They have Afterpay, Klarna, or Zip. It's a deep wave. I think the length is 20 inches. Pre-plucked natural hairline, glueless wig, effortless, easy to install and manage. 180% density, luxurious texture, 13x4 lace frontal realistic look. An extra 3-in-1 flat iron for free. I ain't getting no flat iron. I'm gonna take it off of here. I don't think this is 20 inches. So yes, we can send this one in 20 inches. It does say it's 20 inches, but it doesn't look like no 20 inches. Let me put this wig cap on. I like this wig cap. It's very thin. Very, very thin compared to the ones that I buy at the beauty supply. Okay, so before I even like put powder on it or anything, I just want to see like how it lays on my head. Look at that. I can't even put on the wig right. So this is 20 inches when the hair is curly. Like, yeah, I understand it's curled and everything, but can someone just clarify that for me? It's cute. So yeah, that's the hairline. It needs to be bleached because I could definitely see the knots crazy, but it's a decent not too dense hairline, but it's pretty there. I don't know how to do this shit. I'm getting excited because it's starting to look better. Alright, so I'm gonna use this hairspray that my friend got me. It's this one. It's really good. I like it. I'm just gonna start right here on the forehead and then just massage that in. For any wig professionals out there, wigologists and all that, can you please comment down below and just tell me what I'm doing wrong? I really want to start slaying my wigs. Okay, so I'm just gonna go there. Bring this down, like up to here. I backed you guys up a little bit so that you can see the hair. I'm gonna apply a little bit of mousse since it is a deep wave. Since it is a deep wave, I want you guys to see like how it looks when it's wet. So I'm gonna put some mousse. I'm using this one, Lotta Body. Oh my god, when you put mousse in it, it's so pretty. Sorry, I have a little cold. I don't have the Omari on, I swear to god. But I'm just kidding, I know that. So just me running my fingers through the hair with the mousse, I did experience some shedding. I don't know if you guys can see that. And this is just half of the hair that I put mousse and combed it through. And this is how much shedded. I hear that's very common with curly hair. So I'm just gonna pass through the hair. I'm so happy. Like, I'm not gonna lie, I was a little disappointed because I thought it was gonna be longer. You know, this length is fine too. It looks a lot more natural and like it's flattering because oh, look at that bounce. You see that bounce? Bounce. Yo, I look so cute, you guys. Oh my god. I will definitely well, I was gonna say I would definitely repurchase, but I would definitely, like, I'll buy one of these wigs from Luvme. Like, these are really, really nice. These are really, I know I said that the hair needs a little bit of bleaching. I mean, the knots need a little bit of bleaching, but, well, I just packed on some foundation powder on, like a full coverage foundation powder, The one I use is the Makeup Forever one. Since I put some mousse on it, I want to see how it looks when I blow dry it and it's just, oh, and it dries. So this is the hair when it's dry. I do prefer the wet hair look, so I'm gonna go back and wet it again. So yes, I did look through the email, and you do get 20% off when you use the code Delilah, which is great. Everybody loves the sale. Wigs are expensive, but you know, I gotcha. This is my first curly wig. I am obsessed with straight hair. So when I purchase a wig, it's always straight hair, straight hair. I did hear from a lot of people that just curly hair from any vendor, it sheds. Curly hair sheds. And I should know that because my hair is naturally curly. That's probably just a little issue. But when I do wear my straight wigs, I don't experience any type of shedding. But it didn't really bother me because after combing through the hair with the mousse and the water and brushing it out, it's not really shedding as much anymore. The hair feels really nice. It's nice and soft. The curls are beautiful. Like, I love the curl pattern on this one. I don't know, I just feel so cute with this hair. So yes, the hair quality, I really like it. Very nice, soft, manageable. The curls are really nice and bouncy. As for the lace, so the lace does need bleaching, and I'm not gonna do that because I am not good at that. I am not good at bleaching any knots, but that's fine because I am perfectly fine with just applying powder. Once I put that Makeup Forever powder into the lace, I could barely see the knots. So I feel like the knots are like pretty tiny size. Like, just look at it. Like, it looks really good. Oh, it looks really good. Oh my god, oh my god. If knots do bother you, you're gonna have to bleach the knots. Because when you get it, it is noticeable. The lace doesn't come in any color. I love the material of the lace. I had laces that were way too thick, that were just so unnatural. It just doesn't melt into the skin. Like, you can clearly see that I'm wearing a wig. But this one, I feel like is right in between. It's not too thin and it's not too thick. Like, the way it's just laying on my head, the way it's laying on my skin right now, like, I love this so much. Like, you really have to look super close to see if I have a wig on, because I love it. I love it so much. The construction of the wig is great. I might have to put, like, when I go out and stuff, I'm gonna have to put a little bit of concealer here because you can definitely see the knots. So like I said, if that is an issue for you, bleach the knots. And this, I'm telling you, once you bleach these knots, this wig is perfect for you. Most of the time, also, a lot of people, they would want to pre-pluck the wig because for some people like this, it may come off looking a little too dense, but I actually like the way it looks. I feel like it's not too thin, it's not too bulky or thick with hair. I feel like they did a good job. They did a good job, and I don't need any baby hairs. I feel so confident right now. Like, ooh. I give this wig I'm gonna give it a strong 8. The reason why this wig was not a 10 is because I love my long hair. So the fact that I thought that it was gonna be even longer, it was a slight disappointment, but I am getting used to the length. And like, it's a natural length. It looks really cute, and I can definitely vibe with it. And I always did want a shorter wig, but I like my long hair. And just because, like, the shedding, it threw me off a little bit. Yes, it may be because it's curly hair, but it did throw me off a little bit. I'm not really used to I'm not really used to my wig shedding like that. But yeah, I give this one a strong 8. And plus, because of the knots, like the knots are very noticeable when you don't put any powder on it. Overall, this is a great beginner's wig. Like if you don't know how to install, or like customize a wig, like I would really suggest getting this one and then taking it to someone and they could finesse it so easily, because it's an easy wig. I'm just not good at it. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know if you guys have any more questions. Comment down below. I will surely answer them for you. Subscribe if you're not already. Leave a beautiful positive comment down below, and I'll see you guys soon.